Hi, welcome back to Dave's Garden and Vine. So, this episode, for the first time, I'm going to be planting honeyberries. They're a very hardy fruit, perfect for the UK. They can be kept outside all year. And hey, let's get out and see what it's like. So, I'm going to be planting honeyberry plants. And what they tell you about these, you should always plant two. So, I've got two nice big pots here, and I put one in each. So, in the bottom of the pot, I put bits of broken stones, bricks, just to help with the water and a bit of drainage. A mixture of koi, about 20%, no, 10% perlite, and then compost. Right, I need some more. There, that's probably just up to that sort of level on the pot. We'll actually just put some water in that. That soaked up a bit, and that was just full of rainwater as well, so even better. This is the first time I've planted a honeyberry, so if anybody's interested, details are on there. Obviously root bound, but not an issue. Just break those up. So they don't continue to grow in a square shape and they start growing outwards. And that'll do me. And it wants to be level, so I'll push it in. Be good to hear if anybody else has grown honeyberries or thinking about growing them, because from what I read about them, you have to have two plants together for germination. So I'll give that a water in. Good water in, and then I'll do the same to the other one, and I'll show you at the end. That's the two honeyberries now potted up. Just put some perlite on the top just to help with moisture retention, so but they can stay outside, snow, frost, whatever. They're super hardy, so it's going to be a bit of a tidy up, because there's a section of the garden which is a mess. The area that I'm going to be tidying up, I'll just go, is this section here. It's just full of rubbish, old pots. It's right next to the compost, so I can actually clear this area out and get, I don't know, your potatoes in pots in that section. So yeah, let's crack on and get on with it. So the cleaning never stops. I tidied up this area here. Now we've got to tidy this area up just to give us back a little bit of growing space. Outdoor toilet. I'll probably grow flowers in that, I think, just for a laugh. But yeah, let's get going. I'm going to have a break. So, empty coal bunker, very old coal bunker. It's been here since we bought the house. Can't reuse it because it's starting to just rot around the sides, so get rid of it and get all that space back. So that's finally done, taken away. Well, not taken away, it's everything I've bagged and all the rubbish is lined up there. So yeah, I can get another raised bed in there, or if anybody else has got any other ideas, just drop it in the comments. Catch you in the next one.